We are doing the Frankland Island snorkelling tour. So we're out to have some fun. We've got to catch the boat, go down the river, and then they take us out onto the ocean for about half an hour. Or it could have even been an hour and a half. I don't know. I was having so much fun it didn't matter. In the first bit of snorkelling, they teach everybody how to use your equipment, and you get used to your equipment so that when you're out in the ocean you haven't got problems with the water coming in on your eyes or coming into your mouth, and your snorkels, your flippers fit, and you're all happy with your equipment, and you're seeing a bit of coral, you're confident with what you're doing, and then you go out. Right. It's okay. Now working. Yeah. Oh, still got to go backwards.
There is a bit of a ledge here.
Yep, I saw that before. Thank you.
That's all right. Beautiful. There you go. I'll give you this one as well.
Thank you.
No worries.
Deborah, is it?
Of course you can, mate.
I'm Scotty.
Nice to meet you too, Scotty. Now, you don't mind being on YouTube?
No, that's cool.
That's cool. Thank you very much.
Hello, YouTube. Get the sand out of it first, eh? Because otherwise you'll have a bit of an issue.
Yeah, I've got sand in the other one too.
Yeah, we'll fix that now.
Maybe I should put the strap that's on my thing over top of it.
No, that's better inside.
Is it?
Yeah. Right around the ring. Oh, no. Because I hold on to this rope. Wherever you want to be, is up to you.
Yeah, that way.
Alright, we've got a blue anemone, which is really, really rare. Those are clownfish. Okay, so there's a lot of different kinds of anemone fish. Those particular ones were the legitimate clownfish. The cool thing about the clownfish is they all start off as male, and then when it comes time to breed, the biggest one to become a female.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and takes up her role as in womanhood.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Fusiliers, very common. They have litters of up to 3,000 each.
Wow.
Yeah, every year each one of them will make 3,000 more of them. So you often see them swimming around in big shoals, thousands of them hanging close to the reef to avoid all those predators that might want to snap them up. On to the next one. This bomb is called the Three Sisters. And we're just going to swim right a little. With the yellow fins, bright yellow fins. This is called a rabbit fish. And they're some of my favourite because these, there's a few fish that are monogamous, but this one is monogamous for the sake of love. It will not go and find another partner if its partner dies. And they team up into a breeding pair. One of them looks out while the other one's eating, and then they swap. So you'll often see one yellow and silver with the stripes. I also spotted a little Moorish idol down there. He's a black and white fish, a little benner.
Oh, yeah?
Got a little shot of him. So there's the 3 boulder coral, which are some of the oldest and slowest growing coral here on the reef. And it's like think of it as like the foundation. Spotted a little cone shell. Not 100% sure if it was a textile cone shell. These are one of the deadliest things in the ocean if it was. These little cone shells have like a little creature living inside of them, like a harpoon. And if you get done, they're deadly. That's why we always say don't pick anything up. People often, they find them, they're such a beautiful shell, they're very grabbable, And people pick them up and put them in their wetsuit and see you later. If you put your ears in the water, do you hear all the clicking? That's all of the shrimp and the fish. This is also the parrotfish crunching away at the coral down below. I just went down and spotlighted a couple of cool little fish. The parrotfish, which is the giant rainbow ones.
They're beautiful.
Awesome fish. They're super funny as well. These guys eat the dead coral rubble on the bottom, and they poop out sand. So a lot of this white sand, all this beautiful sand on the beach, is actually parrotfish poop.
It's amazing how nature has been planned.
Yeah. It's like, we need more beach around here. Send them the parrotfish. And they eat all the dead stuff and create sand. It's like something like 70% as well of the Great Barrier Reef sand is parrotfish poop. Yuck.
next video will show the snorkel trip between the two islands, which I felt was the best snorkel trip that I'd had in the whole holidays. So great was it that we've decided to go back. We're going to be going up sometime in spring and redoing the experience.